Hello YouTube. I decided to do a voiceover this time for the before and after of these two vases that I used for my daughter's party. I'm so sorry for my voice. I actually got very sick after her party. I'm just trying to share as much as I can on here so you guys can see everything that I did prior to her birthday. Throughout this part, I just went ahead, laid it down, and decided to start gluing it because it was going to be the easiest way for me to get it wrapped all the way around. Right here, I just went and started gluing as much as the moss I could around the whole vase, just to make it look more fuller and actually hide all the seams of the wrap. Once I was happy with how full it looked, I just continued to glue the flowers in random areas just to give it a little more life. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. And also, subscribe to my channel to help me grow. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have a good day.